Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, now I'm gonna cook something for one, and yep. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do is this. This is how I do it. Very fast. No messing around. Just warm some water, and turn that off. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell you why I'm doing this. Okay. You keep it warm so that here was a stock. Okay, and sorry I'm doing this with one hand. So you get a stock, you just pop it in there like that. See that? And I gotta get a spoon. And right, okay, and just stir that, and you see that, and that is gonna melt. See that? Now I've got some chopped onions here. Those in there like that. That's going on the dishwasher. Put it in the fire. And then stir that. Okay. And then get a paprika here. This is a very good jar because I always use half for just one. You know, I am from Nigeria, eat a lot of paprika. And there we are, see that? And this is gonna be the fun of it now. When this olive oil comes in, here we go. And then we got some olive oil in there, see that? And just stir that. Look what you got, see that? And just a little bit more. And now that is, now look at that. That is a sauce on its own. And I'm gonna pour it in here because that's gonna go in the oven. Okay? Now you got your own onion sauce there. Leave that for the time being. And now, for the potatoes, okay, put that in there. Get the olive oil. No, sorry, this is a sunflower oil. Sprinkle that over it like that, all over. So when it's cooked, it's not gonna get sticky. See that? And there we are. Okay. Now, as for the turkey, sorry, before that, I'm gonna prick all this like that, prick it like that, one by one. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. So, break. Just break it. Just prick the big ones. Prick the big ones. Yeah, prick the big ones like that. Good, all pricked now. Then I'm gonna go over to the turkey here and just prick it too, like that, all over. Okay, and just put the knife there for the time being, and then get the oil as well over there, like that. See that? Now, if you're single, you live it alone, this is a very, very, very cheap meal. Now, potatoes, this potato is only 79p, less than a pound, okay? The turkey is £1.99. Okay, so that is less than 3 pounds in the UK. Onion, this is only about 80p. Okay, and with less than 4 pounds, you have yourself a very, very a very, very big dinner. We're going to cover all that up, and we're just going to chuck them in the oven. Oh, sorry, I got to get rid of this garbage. I'm sorry. Chuck the garbage there. And get this one, put it back there, and just chuck that. And put this one, that one. That goes in there, and this one goes in here. And always recycle your goods. Your garbage in Nigeria always have where you get non-recyclable goods, and here is for everything that you're gonna recycle. You know, and you gotta put this in the dishwasher. Now that I let on, no problem. Just leave that in for the time being, and here we are, all covered up like that. There we are. Oh, I got this from Nigeria actually, and I'm gonna be having that with this. This is Henry Weston cider, beautiful drink, and that is covered up. Okay, like that. Shut that, and here we are in the oven, and here we are. We got a potato down there. And we got a turkey. Just hold on. Gonna adjust this. Okay. Yep. So we got a turkey in there, and we got our onion sauce in here, there, and shut it, and we're gonna turn it to 180, and we're gonna leave it for 45 minutes. And 45 minutes from now, I'll be back. I'm gonna go upstairs, and then we're good to go. It's dark out there, dark, really dark outside now. It's really dark out there. Can't see nothing. All right, okay, and I will see you soon.